Hi, Brian from Jet Performance Products, coming to you today from our headquarters here in Huntington Beach, California. Today we're going to install a jet part number 201355, an electric choke conversion kit for Quadrajets that have a heat choke. This way you can convert them to electric and simplify it. Now let's see how easy that is. So this is what's included in the kit. You get the thermostat, the electric choke, wire, retainers, screws, tap and drill. You're going to need a tap handle or something to run the tap in, and a drill. So as you can see on the factory electric chokes, most of them were riveted. They were sealed at the factory. So what we're going to do is we're going to drill out these rivets. Grab the tap, put it in our tap handle or whatever tool you plan on using to make this easiest for you. And we're going to tap threads in the existing choke housing. If you want, you can squirt a little lubricating oil on the tap, but it's an aluminum housing, so it's not going to make a whole lot of difference, and we're not looking for anything super precise here. Tap in the holes. Now I want to remove the old choke. As you can see, so here's your factory part, and here's the new part. Notice that this goes around the shaft that's in the carburetor itself. And we're just going to set our choke. We're going to do that afterwards anyhow. So basically close the choke all the way, and you're going to install the screws and the retainers that are provided. Now in this case, obviously we only had a carburetor with an electric choke on it, so we're removing an existing electric choke. But in most cases, that'll just be a heat choke. Put the screw in the hole that you just tapped. And you're going to do that obviously 3 times. Okay, the retainers are installed. Pretty simple. The wire goes to a 12-volt keyed source. Only when the key's on do you have power, not all the time. Plug it onto the choke housing, and that's pretty much it. It's simple, self-explanatory. You're going to adjust the choke. Check it when it's cold, not when it's hot. Set the choke so it's completely closed with a slight tension on it when you first install it, and you should be okay. That's it. Pretty simple.